In the DMF program, we cover a lot of things that you might expect. So 3D modeling, learning how to use hand tools, learning how to use digital tools, and then analog machine tools, and then CNC machine tools. The thing that I'm really excited about doing this kind of a program at IRIS is that it's connected to the craft tradition of building boats and building things thoughtfully. And that's what's really cool about being here.
As soon as I walked in, I was like, wow, this is where I want to be.
I'm getting more out of it than I expected. The area is a slightly different area than what I expected, but I didn't want to come here and learn what I already knew. So I'm happy about the surprises I've picked up along the way here.
We have a lot of technology that is not accessible to everyone. We even have a 3D printer that prints in carbon, like carbon fiber, so that's something that you would not be able to get technically in the field because it's so expensive.
We do have some pretty cool 3D printers. We do FDM, SLA, and then powder printing. Then we also have analog lathes and mills, drill press, some of the basic stuff you might expect. And then we have 3 CNC mills and 3 CNC lathes. And so the students learn how to optimize what those can do and to take ownership of those as a tool that they can use to bring their ideas forward. One student may not even know how to use a bar clamp, and then another student might have, for instance, extensive woodworking experience. And we try to have a program that works well for all of those students. The most important characteristic is you have to have a desire to make things. And this is not just an idea program, you have to want to work with your hands. But beyond that, we assume that a prospective student, other than sort of some innate skills, doesn't have any kind of a strong background. And yet we also try to have a program that is broad enough that students that do come in with a more developed skill base are challenged so that they can move their skill base further along the road.
Whenever I wanted to dive more in depth or needed more help, the instructors were right there. They were excited that I was taking things so far.
The capstone project is the last month of the program, and it's when the student kind of brings together all that they've learned, and I get a chance to explore in depth something that they're interested in. Some students do things that are very tightly related to marine products, and others do something medical instruments or architectural. So there's room for that, and that's encouraged, and that's one of the great things about this program is we're in this wonderful marine environment, but you can also go a lot of other ways with these technologies and with these skills.
The networking is the best part. I think all your classmates, so many different walks of life and backgrounds and experience. It's really great to just be able to work alongside so many different people.
Just working in a group with people that you like, you come up with really good things.
One of the things that I've found really cool about being at a school like IRIS is the wide variety of students that we have here. It just adds so much richness to the student experience and to our experience as teachers.